Blink Sync Module 2 not connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm going to tell you how to fix the Blink Sync Module 2 when it won't connect to Wi-Fi. First, check if your Wi-Fi is working by connecting another device to the same network. If your internet is down, restart your router and try again. Next, make sure you're connecting to a 2.4 GHz network, as Blink devices don't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If the issue persists, move to the sync module closer to the router and restart it by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for the light to turn solid blue and blinking green. If the light is red or not blinking, reset the sync module by holding the reset button until the light turns solid red. Then set it up again in the Blink app. Still not working? Check for updates or reinstall the Blink app and ensure your router settings allow new devices for new connections.